Mr. President. Dear colleagues, 13th of January is an outstanding day for the freedom of Europe. Today we mark the 13th anniversary of the Act of Truth made by the European Parliament. In 1983, on the 13th of January, a resolution was adopted which recognized the fact of occupation and annexation of Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia by the Soviet Union and called for action of the international community. 8 years later, on the same day, on January 13th, 1991, it took the ultimate sacrifice to defend my country's freedom, when Soviet military attacked singing masses in Vilnius by tanks and bullets. This desperate act of Kremlin left 14 defenseless people dead, many hundreds injured and the world shocked. Today Europe is free and reunited, and I want to thank this House and each and everyone who dared to speak at that time, to speak out for truth and freedom. However, when it comes to cooperation among the EU countries and bringing to justice those who committed crimes against humanity, there is still lack of understanding. I call for deeper knowledge of the most recent history of Europe. Truth and remembrance solidifies our union. Thank you.
Επόμενη ομιλήτρια είναι η συνάδελφος κυρία Elena Basescu.
Mulțumesc foarte mult, domnule președinte. În acest an, în România, conform promisiunilor USL, coaliția de stânga aflată la guvernare va începe procesul de reorganizare administrativă a teritoriului